For centuries, armies sought the high ground. Watchtowers, balloons, and spy planes gave them an edge. Today, drones have revolutionized this idea. Drones are advanced, uncrewed machines, small, affordable, and able to fly for hours. They gather intelligence, reveal enemy positions, and can even strike from afar. Drones are reshaping the rules of modern conflict. The age of drone warfare has arrived. What makes a military drone tick? It's a blend of 4 key systems. First, the airframe, ranging from airplane-like wings to compact quadcopters, each designed for specific missions. Second, navigation and communication drones use GPS and backup visual navigation to find their way, and radio links to stay connected with operators. Third, sensors, high-definition and thermal cameras, laser designators, and more, allowing drones to see day or night, spot hidden threats, and guide weapons. Finally, weapons. Some drones carry precision-guided missiles or bombs, enabling them to strike targets with little warning. The operator sees through the drone's camera, confirms the target, and fires, all in real time. This combination of persistent surveillance and instant strike capability makes drones deadly and effective. Drones collapse the time between finding and destroying a target. They gather intelligence, guide artillery, and deliver precision attacks. Their versatility makes them indispensable on the modern battlefield. Even small drones can have a big impact. The technology is evolving rapidly, with new features added every year. Drones can operate in harsh environments and evade many traditional defenses. Their adaptability is one reason they're so widely used. From reconnaissance to combat, drones are changing military operations. Understanding their systems is key to understanding their power. The future will only bring more advanced and autonomous drones. Recent wars reveal the true power of drones. In the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, Azerbaijan's drones devastated Armenian forces, destroying tanks and air defenses with ease. Superior drone tactics allowed Azerbaijan to dominate, proving that drones can outmatch traditional armies. The world saw that drone warfare had arrived, and armies that ignore it risk defeat. In Ukraine, both sides use everything from military drones to modified commercial quadcopters. Drones spot enemy positions, guide artillery, and even act as flying bombs. Cheap drones drop grenades or crash into targets in FPV attacks, making the battlefield unpredictable and dangerous. The sky is filled with drones, making surprise nearly impossible. Large troop movements are quickly detected and targeted. The war has become a laboratory for drone innovation and tactics. Even small, inexpensive drones can have massive strategic impact. Soldiers adapt constantly, using drones for supply drops, decoys, and more. Drones have changed the face of modern conflict. Drones have forced armies to rethink attack and defense. Offensively, drones enable precise strikes on specific targets, minimizing collateral damage. Swarms of drones can overwhelm defenses, a tactic growing more common. For ground troops, drones provide vital reconnaissance, preventing ambushes and boosting morale. But drones are a double-edged sword. What protects one side can attack the other. This has sparked a race for counter-drone technology. Detection comes first. Special radars, radio frequency scanners, and acoustic sensors spot drones. Once detected, drones can be jammed, disrupting their control or GPS. Some systems shoot drones down with guns, lasers, or nets. There are even drones designed to hunt other drones. This cat-and-mouse game is now central to military strategy. Defending against drones is as important as using them. The battle between drone and counter-drone tech is constantly evolving. Armies must innovate or risk being left behind. The sky is a contested space. Every advantage counts. The future of drone warfare is accelerating fast. Artificial intelligence will soon allow drones to make decisions and work in autonomous swarms. Nanodrones, as small as insects, could slip into buildings undetected for espionage or targeted attacks. As drones shrink and costs fall, more nations and even non-state groups will gain access to this technology. The democratization of air power is leveling the playing field and increasing unpredictability. Drones are reshaping global security and the ethics of war. Understanding how they work and how to defend against them is crucial. The sky is now the new frontier of conflict. Drones are not science fiction, they're deciding battles today. Their influence will only grow as technology advances. The challenge is to keep pace with their rapid evolution. The future battlefield will be shaped by those who master drones. The age of drone warfare is just beginning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment for more videos.